has to be one of the most unusual things I've had to do. The oxidation is so bad on this one, it is absolutely stuck to it. I actually made my gutter mix strong, did it in a pump up sprayer, sprayed it on, and then I've gone back and scrubbed it and found out if I up my pressure on my pressure washer and cut my heat on, it's melting it off, but it has to sit quite a bit, and I'm doing it a couple of times because I'm doing it in layers. But I got my pump up sprayer and I'm spraying it on, and that's how I'm taking care of the oxidation. We're going to be able to get a lot of this off, not all of it, but a whole lot of it, make them look a lot better. Tim Moore, TLC pressure washing.